Hi, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we'll do yoga for headache. Let's do simple yoga asana practice that help to release pain, anxiety, stress. So let's start. Always meditate your body before yoga. Palm facing downward. Sit straight, close your eyes. Let's do simple practice and best asana to relieve headache. The first asana, this we call mindfulness pose. Excellent asana. Keep your hand like this. This is very important point. If anyone has stress, anxiety, headache, you are going to hold it for 10 seconds. Center of your forehead. Press it. Wipe, close your eyes, with index finger rotate your eyeball, reverse. Release. Now we'll do second asana. This we call index pose. A very good pose. Let's do it. Keep a gap of one finger. Hold here. Center of your forehead. Just press it. Rotate. This helps to activate pineal gland. Reverse and close your eyes. Feel the relaxation. Let's do this again. Open your eyes. Rotate. Circular. Close your eyes. Anti-clock. My headache is gone. So this is very good therapy. Please do this and you can share your views to us. Now let's do asana that help to control our headache. It's simple asana. What you're going to do? We are going to do balasana. So we are going to sit on our heels. First look down. Try to understand your body more. Relax your body. Now slowly go down while exhaling. Okay, now interlock your hand behind and stretch. A best inversion to control headache. Let's do this again. Look down. Observe your body. Slowly go down while exhaling. Interlock your hand behind and stretch. %70 of toxins clear by exercises. 72% toxins clear by water. Please make sure you're drinking a lot of water In yogic diet, we offer water diet, that is every half an hour, half glass of water. Food diet is also very important. After 5, if you can avoid oily food, junk food, that is good for us. Let's do one more asana. This we call butterfly pose, a very easy pose. Bandh asana. Just simple stretches. And look straight. We can do it together. Stretch as much you can, don't strain yourself. Look up. And relax. Okay, now stretch, look down. Keep your forehead down. Simple principle, every asana we should do for 3 times for the best result. Follow this simple technique. These are very easy technique and you are going to see wonderful result with yoga. So please do share your views and comment. Thank you, really thank you.
Hi, this is Taman.
Hi, this is Shraddha Das.
Hi, I'm Priyadarshi.
నేను మీ ఆది.
Hi, I'm Kashish Vora.
Hi, నేను మీ శ్రీ విష్ణు.
Hi, this is Aditya.
Hi, this is Naga Anvesh.
Please subscribe to Social Post.
Please subscribe to Social Post.
Please subscribe Social Post.
Please subscribe to Social Post.
Please subscribe to Social